Subscribe to us for more updates.
Yeah, I've been on a roll, come and see me all night. Never miss a show, baby, dressing up.
Here's how to create an AI magic effect video. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. Import your video into the InShot app. Tap Effect. Tap AI Effects. Next, tap Magic. You can choose from the new AI Magic effects and find a suitable one for your video. We'll use the butterfly AI effect for this video. Select the arrow icon and tap Clip End to extend the effect. And here's the final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.